Developing better client retention strategies. A dmaic methodology approach to improve customer complaint resolution process using Six Sigma for H&R Block's quality improvement project. This project prepared for MBA 702 Professor Miles Free, Walsh University, North Canton, Ohio. What is dmaic? Usually, an organization uses the dmaic methodology to improve a current process performance. This common Six Sigma 5-step approach has typically been used to improve manufacturing processes. However, it is now being used in other functional areas, such as the service industry. The dmaic diagram shown here outlines the 5-step process, starting with the top. Define, followed by measure, analyze, improve, and lastly control. The goal of the quality improvement project is to create better strategies and increase expectations for year-over-year retainage of clients at H&R Block. The first step in this methodology is to define what is the problem being faced by the organization. With H&R Block, client retention has been an issue and an ongoing problem, as clients are not returning to Block for repeat service. Once the problem has been identified, the second step, the collection of information or the measurement step, can be looked at. Currently, customer complaints are handled poorly because headquarters in Kansas City handles them instead of local management. This delay creates a reflection upon the service quality, as customers interpret it as not caring about the issue at hand or about them as a paying customer. During the analysis step, it is found that customer complaints are not being handled appropriately, making customers feel as if their business is not important and therefore they do not return year after year. The process improvement step identifies the necessary correction and corrective actions needed to overcome this problem. One of the corrective actions needed is a single point of contact for customers when they do have a complaint. In addition to that, the customer should be kept informed of the progress if the complaint is not immediately resolved to the satisfaction of both parties. This single point of contact can be an office manager, a tax professional, or a receptionist. By establishing this single point of contact, the time spent resolving a complaint can be greatly reduced. Once a customer's complaint is addressed and the situation is diffused, determining the outcome and satisfying the client is much easier. In the final phase of the process, and once the solution is implemented, constant revision is necessary in order to keep the process at optimal performance levels. Finalizing the results of the complaint with the complainant is definitely part of this strategy. Client retention and customer loyalty is an intangible asset to H&R Block. This project has the benefit of reducing the follow-up time for customer complaints and increasing the time to resolve those complaints. Leveraging a customer complaint program to help reduce the number of clients that do not return as repeat customers to H&R Block is certainly one way to help with this retention.